Hi ladies and gentlemen, as the Crown team, we are showing you these box braids, box curly braids that are so beautiful. I want you to watch this video. I want you to watch and really see how the boxes are neat and see how you can add curls when you don't use palm knots but you use an additional braids. I use Spanish curls down at the end of the braids. We did this as a team, so I want you to watch this video to the end because there is something you are going to see that you've been naive about it. You've been going about it. You're gonna be mesmerized at the end of this video because we fastened this work. We made it so easier, not easy but easier for you. If you want to learn hair, if you want to learn how to do braids, if you want to learn how to do braids, we made it easier for you. So please stick with this video. As usual, I am JK presenting to you this video, and I did it with my team, not me alone. By the way, this client of mine, she is from Dubai. She just reached here and she wanted to change her hair. Her hair was unplaited. She wanted to do it so pretty quick, so I had to do it with my team, not me alone. In something like 2 hours, this hairstyle is going to be done just in 2 hours. So don't worry about time, that maybe if you want to do this, it will take you long hours. So these braids threes, it's Pamoja braids, Pamoja curly braids. It's Pamoja curly braids. You know why it's called Pamoja curly braids? Because it has curls at the end, Spanish curls. Then I used Pamoja braids to braid it. You can use any kind of braids you want. You can use ultra, you can use Brazilian wool, you can use kinky, you can use any preferably the one that is good for you. But here we are using Pamoja braids for this. And of course, I told you, if you want to grip your hair very well, to grip it and connect it well to the braids, you have to use gel. I told you you can use different types of gels. I will not mention it, but you know. If you're a hairdresser, if you want to learn hair, or if you're just a hair lover, if you want to do your own hair, because I've seen people doing their own hair. So you have to use gel. It's a must in order to help you grip your hair. Of course, I told you this hair thing is all about art. You can do your hair without using gel. It's okay. But if you want a neat thing, carry with you gel on this process. You can see very well how we go with this. It is very easy. You go on adding. It is knotless, by the way. There's the knotty way of doing these braids and there's the knotless way. Actually, this is knotless Pamoja curly braids. The name is long and I've already explained why it is called like that. It's called knotless Pamoja curly braids, curly box braids, because it's in a box way. That's the box theme. That's why the box theme comes. The knotless, it's because we do it knotlessly. We go on adding braids. It's knotless. There's no knot on it. And then the curly comes because we are going to add curls at the end. That's the Spanish curls. Then Pamoja, it's because we are using Pamoja braids. You see where the name comes? The knotless Pamoja curly box braids comes from that. It's a package. It's an impact thing. It's impacted. It's packed actually. It's packed thing. It's good for natural hair. It's good for treated hair. It's good for any type of hair, and it's of course protective hairstyle. If your edges are broken, if your edges are broken, it's a good restoration of it. It can restore it. If your hairline is broken, you can restore it. So it's okay. It's okay. You're here in the salon. People can talk around. They can jazz. We have clients here, beautiful clients. Wish I would show you some of them. There are so beautiful clients in here. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with this hairstyle. It's called Pamoja Curly Boxy Knotless Braids. From wherever you're watching from, I love you so much.